One of the things with the floor drain and the concrete floor, a lot of times they taper the concrete down. Before we put down the pea gravel, we're going to put down the screen over the copper here.
Concrete as a subfloor will fully back the InsoFast and plywood assembly, creating a solid floor system that will sustain normal amounts of residential loading or weight.
Nice and solid.
Floating floor installation. The floating floor method places the panels directly on the concrete without using adhesive. The InsoFast panels interlock together with the tongue and groove edges in a running bond or staggered pattern. It is important that the OSB, the oriented strand board, is also installed in a running bond pattern. Once the floor is screwed together, it will be an interlocked monolithic floor system.
So for fastening the subfloor to the InsoFast studs, what we recommend is these backer-on screws. What makes them really nice is to have little nubs on the back side so they recess below the surface real easily and effortlessly.